up guys, we're here at the Freedom Factory. Summer is going to be helping me out today. We're going to be doing a whole bunch of banners on the Crown Vics for the Freedom 500. Quick install on 25 of them. So that'll be fun. All the drivers get their names and their numbers the day that they come here to get their car. It's all going to be randomized. This will be even funnier. They will be installing the numbers and names, so we'll see how that goes. As James says, it's just got to look good from 50 feet away. So here they are, all 25 of them. I think there's 27 actually. And then later today, we're going to be doing something awesome. We are going to be covering up the DeSoto Speedway text that's on the side of the wall in the track. We'll show you guys that here in a little bit. But that's 45 feet long that we're printing at the shop, and Chris I think is going to be bringing that over a little bit later today. So yeah, a little bit of preparation for the Freedom 500 on Friday. It's going to be awesome.
What a team this is. They brought in the best team of professionals in the state of Florida. We're doing, I think, 21 of these banners.
I think there's 27 actually.
2 cars don't work. 2 people pulled out, yeah?
Yeah, well, 1 or 2 people.
Keith, are you kidding me, dude?
Yeah, I mean, they didn't pick us to begin with because they knew that we just have, like, I mean, Chris is a twig and he just, like, goes around the track like it's nothing. To me, I just am gonna crash into everybody. So.
I'm just, yeah, dude, I'm drafting you.
I'm driving the other way.
So we're letting these sit in the sun real quick because we did all quick wet installs, and the sun actually takes the bubbles out and they adhere much better, so we'll leave them for a few minutes. But again, these don't have to look $1 million because obviously they're just for the day. Initially the race was planned for Friday. We had a ton of time. We had time to put all the banners on and work out a bunch of stuff on the inside of the track. But due to COVID-19, it seems like Florida's on a shutdown starting tomorrow night at midnight, so we obviously want to get the race in before then. But yeah, so we just lost a day, but I think we're fully prepared. We brought in the big guns as backup. Summer, that's you?
This is called the Keith's 4 o'clock cookie hour, featuring Keith and his cookies. Today on the channel, we have Summer.
Guest star.
How do you like my cookies?
I am a chocolate chip cookie connoisseur.
You said your hands were dirty.
Oh my god.
That's why I gave you the napkin to eat the cookie. And you break off the cookie that's in the napkin to then use your dirty hands to eat it. A waste of a cookie, babe. Stay tuned for next week on Keith's Cookie Hour.
Cookie!
I just want that to be up.
So this is the official test drive to see if all the vehicles have the same,
Yeah.
They're in the car? So this is the official test. So the first part is we're taking it around the oval, right?
Yeah, a couple laps, you know, make sure everything's good.
So test 1 was just a few laps on the oval. Now we got test 2. This is a full stop, right?
Yeah, this is a dove stop.
Okay.
Get her slowed up.
Yeah, okay.
Brake's good, you know?
Oh yeah. So that was the diff test. Make sure it's the... Okay.
The spin out test.
Alright.
Hit the puddle test.
Okay. Alrighty.
That's the puddle test.
Definitely.
Alright, now this is the pit practice.
Alright.
Go there and pit the BMW.
Yep. That'll be good.
Little off-road test.
Traction lost. Okay. 50.
And then that's it. Then wiper done.
So that was the test.
That's the test, yeah.
It's not bad. So what happens if one of the vehicles fails one of those tests? I saw a number of intake manifolds you have.
The 08 and olders are known for splitting their intakes and like soaking the coils and running on water. And coolant leaks in the intake, so we got a handful of them just in case. Yeah, I got 10 of them.
Perfect, perfect.
So far, I'm 6 out of 10 for passing the test.
That's good. That's good 60%.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I don't really...
Well, I mean... So right now, guys, we're having a little bit of decision making about the size of the numbers, because at the end of the day, the announcers as they're announcing, hopefully are going to be saying drivers' names, drivers' numbers. They can only say those numbers if they can see it. I'm gonna get out, climb the stands to the announcer's box, and see if we can see exactly what's going on. So, dude, you're killing it.
Was blind, but now I see. What great.
That sounds really good. Really good. I gotta go up here, see if you can see the numbers. All right, Keith, go for it, bud. All right, so as Keith drives around, yeah, you can't read those numbers for shit. So Spence is holding it down. How do you feel about his singing?
It's great.
It's surprisingly decent, I'm not gonna lie.
But you know, he probably was one of those like kids in high school who just like had that natural voice who could sing. You know, had like 2 girls on the right arm and then 1 girl on the left. You know, or surfer swag.
You know who Casey Frey is?
Yes.
Really? The funny dude? On Instagram?
I don't know who Casey Frey is.
Why would you say yes then, you 2-bit moron?
Nobody give me shit about drinking on Mike's Hard.
It wasn't on camera, but...
His idea.
Oh!
Wait, why don't you just peel it?
That's what I was saying. Why don't we...
I'll be wrapping this wall behind me. And it's going to be pretty interesting. It's 45 feet wide. It is 3 feet tall. So here it is.
Chris, you guys like sealing the back and applying?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, much like the...
Pointed at it. These Project Priime guys are pretty good. We might keep them around for a minute. I want to show you what they did. You ready? It looks so good, dude. In real life, it's impressive.
Oh man, how we doing?
Good, my back's a little like out of place. I was like going like this the whole entire time trying to heat that wall.
Well, it looks great.
The vinyl came in top notch. Definitely recommend and use that vinyl a lot more for all our wall, bricks, all that kind of stuff, installation. But yeah, we're back. Come take a look at this. I'm an Eagle Scout, as most of you don't know. My main motto is leave the place better than the way you found it. So me as an Eagle Scout took all the trash with us from the Freedom Factory.
Wow.
Yeah, even the water bottle.
Interesting.
Today was really fun. Had our star player here today. She came in so clutch. It was awesome. Helped me install all the banners, all 25 or 27?
23.
23. No. All 23 banners.
Don't get ahead of yourself.
45-foot banner that actually was pretty easy to install. Can't wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow is now the new Freedom 500 date. So Thursday, 9 o'clock, engine starting. We're going to be there. Driver, start your engine.
Hey Ethan, thanks for all the stickers.
Welcome, bro. Am I on camera?
You were, yeah.
You're welcome, bro, and fans.
Damn Carol Baskins!
So today's the day.
Today's the day.
Today is the day. What do we got going on here?
Well, we're making a few kind of easel notices. This is not a public event. They actually built this quick turnaround here because I believe there may be spectators. banners that will show up. So everyone's just planning ahead.
You excited for today?
Yeah, I'm excited. I don't know. We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna have a great time.
I think he wants to drive. Uh-oh. Cleet or McFeeder.
Prime business. Project Prime. This is Chris.
Just talked to the Boosted Boiz.
Oh yeah.
They're ready. They got something up their sleeve.
I can't see, but yeah.
Yeah, you got them blue eyes.
Blonde hair, blue-eyed devil.
And there he goes. So we are here at the Freedom Factory for the Freedom 500. Are you excited, Daniel?
Very excited.
Love it. Great. That was just great. Everything's great. A couple hours beforehand, moving the cars out to the track. Gonna get set up there. I'm gonna go over and talk to Garrett, see what he wants to do about the big banner. Kind of go from there. We're gonna be going through the driver's meeting. Cleet is gonna explain all the rules, regulations. Got to go learn how to work these cameras.
Announcers have got a cam monitor and everything. They're hooked up.
So they'll hear me say, all right, we're going to Spence.
This guy works at Cheese Factory.
The announcers will, yeah.
When we're interviewing the driver, I'll have just done the anthem. These guys will be getting ready to rip. Use the time wisely and let everyone know what's going on. Looks like these ones haven't overheated. Will we have the camera then switched on us? At that point, they kind of take probably. Yeah. Okay, I thought so.
I can't wear my hat because of these damn headphones, so I look like kind of ridiculous, but we're out here. We are at the Freedom 500. It is live right now. I'm on camera 1. Got Daniel over there on camera 2. Right there's Chris. Nice little sunset behind me. The fans here are crazy. Can't wait to start racing, right?
I can't wait to start.
It's gonna be sick. Go get him, Alec. #1 Freedom Factory fan right there. We are minutes away from the Freedom 500. Cars are getting decked out, if not already decked out. Everybody's got their liveries, everybody's got their paint schemes on. Daniel, how you doing? He's tired. He's had a long day of waiting for the most epic thing in the world.
And the rockets red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. For the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Woo! Yeah! Woo!
Gentlemen, start your engines!
Nice, that pretty much wraps up the Freedom 500. If you watched it, you watched it. If you didn't, don't feel bad. It was a great show, great time. How'd you feel about it?
I'm tired, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
same. How about
It
you?
was awesome. It was great. Such
Yeah?
a great time.
You have fun?
Yeah, I had
Glad
fun.
you came?
Yeah.
That sounds forced, Daniel. We're gonna all cruise in this Miata all the way back, so safe travels. Hope you guys love the Freedom 500. Peace out. Looks like the first wave has broken away from the pack. Oh, I got so much gust. Oh, this is not a good place to be standing. Oh my God, these guys are tighter than sardines.
If you want to zoom in, most people don't.